Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to bring you another video about a Siberian treasure oil. This one I'm going to be talking to you about today is the Siberian Sea Buckthorn Oil. Now this is a really unique red oil. As you can see, it's a really deep, rich red color, beautiful oil. And now today I'm going to talk to you about how it's really great for skincare. Like many of these oils, you can use them in cooking as well. But this one I'm going to be talking to you about today, I'm going to be including in 3 different facial masks that you can DIY yourself at home really easily. And so I'm just going to show you how to do that. But before I start off, I just want to give you a little bit more information about this fabulous oil. It contains so many vitamins and minerals. It actually contains 20 different kinds of minerals and a whopping 60 antioxidants. So this is one powerful oil, and in saying that, obviously it's going to do amazing things for your skin. Not only does it protect, hydrate, restore, protect the skin, it's great for anti-aging. It's going to slow down the aging process of your skin. It's one of the only oils in the whole world that contains all of the omega fatty acids. So it contains 3, 6, 7, and 9. So it contains all 4 of those. This oil, unlike a lot of skincare products that contain the oil with other ingredients, this is 100% natural and 100% pure. So you're going to be getting the full benefit out of this oil. It's also rich in vitamin E, and it has 12 times the amount of vitamin C than oranges. This oil doesn't contain any preservatives, it doesn't have any colorants or fragrances added to it, and this oil is going to completely nourish and restore and protect your skin and do all that good stuff. So let's just get on with the facial mask. So here's the first one. Now this first facial mask is for wrinkle prevention, and so for this you'll need 5 mils of the Sea Buckthorn oil and then 10 mils of your melted honey. Apply this all over the face and let it sit for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. This next mask is for hydration, and this is a hydrating compression mask. Now what you'll need for this one is 1 teaspoon of the Sea Buckthorn oil, 5 teaspoons of distilled water, and then soak a cloth mask into the liquid. Now I have found a mask that I already had that I'd used and cleaned. So I'm just soaking this into the liquid now, and I'm going to apply this onto my face, leave it on for 30 minutes before removing. Now my skin feels so much more hydrated now after using this mask. It feels so smooth and it looks amazing. So last but not least is a skin toning facial mask. Now for this one you'll need 5 mils of the Sea Buckthorn oil and 1 egg yolk. Mix it all up and apply it to your face. And let this sit for 15 minutes before rinsing. So as you can see, my skin looks so much more toned now. I'm just so happy with how this mask has turned out and made my skin look and feel. So that's it everybody, that's my review of Siberian Treasure's Sea Buckthorn Oil. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you try any of these facial masks. I would love to hear how you go. I've absolutely been loving how versatile and fun it is to make different recipes using this oil, and I'm definitely going to continue to be using it. I've also made other videos of Siberian Treasure's oils, which I'll have linked down below if you're interested in those. There's some facial masks ones as well as hair recipes, so I'd love for you to check those out. Let me know if you do, and I'll have all information of where you can purchase this and give it a try for yourself down below. It is available to buy on Amazon as well as eBay, so make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.